Hello, so I'm showing today, as promised last week, how to relate sketches and features in Creo. I have here the same body of the car. Thank you, Andy, for designing this. I exported that from from Onshape, and I now have it in Creo. I created the same features, the tail and the front wing of for the car, and I'm going to relate these two. So first way to relate this, and a very easy one, and I'm going to show you the first sketch, is by having a center line, and I used the Datum center line instead of a sketch center line, so it will be visible in also in 3D. So I'm going to just unhide this. I'm going to show the sketch, and I'm going to edit the sketch for the front part, and I'm going to delete this dimension, and I'm going to delete this dimension. My keyboard somehow doesn't want to delete it, and I'm going to add the parallel constraint between the construction line from here and the center line, and now these two are related. Now when I change the angle of this, of course that the front wing will follow. Let's just do that, and I'm going to change this one to, let's say, 10. Okay, and you can see that the front also follows, of course. Another way that I'm going to show now is using relations between the two angles that were also shown in Onshape. So in order to do that, I need to navigate to the Tools toolbar and get the relations, select the relations, and I can select the sketch that I want to take the relations from, and I'm going to use this angle. I'm going to make this angle equal to the angle from the front, that is this one. Of course, that meanwhile I deleted the parallel constraint and added back the angle, so I went back to where I was before adding the parallel constraint. And I can also say, let's say -10, and this will actually make this angle equal to this angle -10. So this angle will be controlled by this angle. So I will be changing this angle now instead of the tail. If I want to change the tail angle and I have a relation, it will not allow me to. So I can't modify this one, but I can modify the one from this sketch. And let's go for 25. Okay, and I will have to regenerate, and there we go. The angle from here, from sketch 1, changed, and I'm going to just show it to 15 because that's 25 minus 10. I can also add a parameter, so I can create a new parameter, name it angle or tail angle or something like that, and make it 15 for instance. And now in the relations, I can look for my angle, right click and select first. Before actually doing that, I'll have to add it here, insert to relations, and it will insert it to my relations, and I can use it also in the assemblies if I want to, and I will add the 36 equal to angle. And now I'm controlling, the 69 should be, because I'm already having defined the D36 and I need to define this one now. Of course that they can be in any order. I just added that. Okay, it failed, and that was expected because that was not tested at 5, so it's -10. So let's add here 30 this time. Okay, let's regenerate, and there we go. We have the angles that we wanted, and 20 here and 30 for the front. Of course that I can change this relation at any time and change this to 15 and hit OK and just regenerate. I can whether use Control G or the button to regenerate, and I can control the parameters from here, the parameter directly, and change it to 25 and again regenerate. That's pretty much what I wanted to show today. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you consider that any other um, tricks or best practices would be needed. Thank you. Goodbye.